It's a familiar sound across Massachusetts as crews work quickly, trying to remove all the trees brought down by yesterday's storm.
Real scary.
This homeowner grateful nobody was injured when a large tree landed on her roof, and is even more relieved she was able to get workers out to her house.
The tree people came this morning, and the roof is coming this afternoon, so it's all getting taken care of and everyone's safe.
But some aren't having as much luck.
We had no heat and no lights at all, and still without power. The kids and I all hunkered down in one bed under lots of covers. Hurry up and get the power back on.
Tonight, thousands of homes are still without power as utility crews zigzag across the state trying to fix the damage from a storm that caught many off guard.
I wasn't expecting this at all.
It was loud. The trash bins were going all over the place. Just ready for spring. Spring on spring. No more snow.
And hopefully that neighbor did not see Harvey's forecast. There's no word tonight on when this is going to get cleaned up or when Wyman Street will reopen. We're live in Newton. Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.